So then once you're here, I'm sure you have played around with this. Train Athena is also a lot of question I get most of the time. So Athena is kind of a smart assistant between users input, what input you have provided, and what content you wanted to create. And this is almost like creating your own Google inside that particular workspace of your client. So you're creating a Google for your client. Now, yourself and your client, they don't need to go out and search on the Google once you have pulled all the information inside that workspace. You can also think like that. When I say niche, that means, let me go a little bit like on the diagram. Train Athena means you have the market research. There's the middle section that we have. Then we have these insights, right? That all goes into this Athena training. And optionally, we can also inject search intent and URL. So let me pick up one topic only. What is search intent? So you remember we have in the market research always niche, sub niche, micro niche. Then we have ideal prospect overview, and we also have main topic of interest. So this main topic of interest is always linking point between all the Google data that we are going to pull in the search intent. So suppose the main topic of interest is 3D printing. 3D printing. What happens when I press this button here, search intent? For example, we are in workspace Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. We can check also. Here the main topic of interest for itself, Amazon Kindle Publishing. This is our main topic of interest. So we are going, when I put this information here and make it maybe 10, select country where you're making the search. And when you power up, actually this step crawl all the Google pages up to 10 position of the Google pages. The pages that I was clicking earlier in my earlier section, right? There was a main topic and it was saying main topic FAQ, main topic dream, main topic desire. But what I showed in there, it is exactly automated here. So all the 14 different variations of this topic, Amazon Kindle Publishing, will be pulled and all the Google data will be scraped, and that will be combined together with your niche research. Once you do that, you can always search back here. So here you see Athena search. If I just type Kindle Publishing, because it has pulled all the results regarding this main topic, it will bring us a lot of information either from our research or from the search intent that we have done. Here you can see, I just type Kindle Publishing, but all the information that is there, for example, Kindle Publishing, a step-by-step guide, Amazon Kindle Publishing, Kindle Direct Publishing, frequently asked question. This all information is sort of automated here when you do the search intent and push the button, power up Athena. And so your niche research and the search intent, both are inside sort of this Athena. And Athena is, as I said, kind of a connection. It's a kind of a Google within your workspace. You're creating a Google inside. And let me take you back in this step. So what exactly is happening when you do this search intent? So let's say Kindle Publishing. So if suppose my main topic of interest is Amazon Kindle Publishing or Kindle Publishing, everything that you see here, different combination, Kindle Publishing ideas, Kindle Publishing suspicion, dream, top 10, website, newsletter, enemy, mistakes, tools, everything, this information is crawled from the Google pages. So Kindle Publishing questions. When I select this, all the top 10 positions, including all these questions people are asking Google, is already part of Athena when we do the training. And since we have created now inside workspace another Google, you don't need to go every time on the Google. All the heavy lifting is done one time, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel, because more you go on Google on the topic, the more you get distracted. But here Athena has collected all the information, and when you're writing content, it's very specifically choosing the context while writing the content. If suppose I have copied a workspace, let's say I copied a workspace dog walking, I can directly go and start creating content. If you wanted to give a very quick look, also in the marketplace, you can see what are the details on this. So for example, if I go into detail here, the niche was busy dog owners looking for safe and secure dog walking services. I made it more specific. So busy 9-5 dog owners or 9-5 dog owners looking for complete dog walking and pet sitting services to stimulate cognitive developments in their dog or in your dog. Then busy dog owners who are looking for comfort and care. Now, this was the initial information. Rest of the information was auto-populated, automated by artificial intelligence. I gave it the initial topic, dog walking or dog sniffing safari in your neighborhood. Then it comes up with its own ideas, dog grooming essential, dog smelling flowers across town, dog grooming or dog walking, pet care as a part of your lifestyle, dog sniffing safari, how to plan one, dog owners who are satisfied with their walkers, gift for dogs. So these are different ideas that are coming up as a part of this research. Now, if you wanted to check already before you buy, you can also do the preview here. So when I was here on the marketplace, there's a little section here. I am not saying that this is the best user experience, but we are improving it. As you see here, you can already check the content of this workspace. It should give you enough idea what is target audience. So busy dog owners, those are the target audience, and they're looking for safe and secure dog walking services. So you can explore in marketplace workspace. It also have a demo blog, and the first level of research is already done. So it's kind of a done for you workspace. So you can just copy and go ahead and start creating content. So if I would have copied this, then I would even not bother to go through the research, because I know to whom we are talking about and what is our main topic of interest. I will directly jump to the content creation. And in the content creation also, there are different types of templates they are implemented. So how to walk your dog, for example, most of the time people are talking about how to type of blog post or a list blog post, or just start with a general outline, or you wanted to create long pillar form blog post or infographic idea blog post. So these are different types of templates that earlier were available in Notion notes, now being implemented here. And of course, there are more than 30 templates that will be implemented here, including discovery or buyer persona questions, sales objections, that will also be included here in 1 or 2 weeks. So if I would have copied that workspace, I would have directly gone to one of the blog posts. I have here one, I want to show it directly here. So benefits of dog walking, that was my sort of idea with the blog, what blog I wanted to target. It starts with some little introduction, and it's already like 300, no, it's almost like 500 words. We can check how many words are there in the first initial draft. 368 words are already there, and those people who are writing dog walking as a competition on the pages, they're on average writing 300 to 500, because maybe it's pulling most of the information from different landing pages of the website, the homepage. So obviously homepage is not that heavy. And benefits of dog walking, if you look into this, it's already like a content which you can expand with different ideas here. So there are multiple tools. You already got like a one reference point, and then there are multiple tools like captivating captions. So these are hooks. These are, like, for example, hook could be walk your dog this winter in a style, footwear for dog walking, dog park dash, 14 must have dog walking accessories. You can even copy one of these hook, and you can just say ask me Athena or write me Athena. For example, if I want to extend this blog, there are already some benefits of dog walking mentioned here. Dog stay relaxed and calm. Dog walking services are affordable. You can customize your packages. For example, if I want to give my reader more information, what kind of accessories they have, right? I can just add this line here, and then I can use one of the tool. One of the tool means I will select this, and I have here, for example, either write me Athena or ask me Athena. Let me select it. So ask me Athena is when I have a very specific instruction. So what, why, how, 5 tips, or 3 ways to do something, anything with a specific instruction, you can use ask me Athena. The result of this, again, a bulleted point in steps or in instructions, but in a very structured way, you will get the output. Write me Athena, you are going to use when you don't know what to write next, or you wanted to finish a sentence. Then you can use write me Athena.